Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing around, swatching, testing out these guys right here by Mcgrath. And this is a lipstick set and a lip gloss set. And yeah, each one of them has a trio of minis. I've never tried the Mcgrath lipstick or lip gloss. I've heard fabulous things. I've actually heard really great things about their lip liners, her lip liners, and about the lipsticks. So I'm really excited about trying these. They come in these fun packages with all these sequins in them. And yeah, so if you're interested in checking out the swatches from these guys, then let's just head into the video. Okay, so these are the two packages. This is the mini MatteTrance set, and then this is the mini Lust gloss set. And on Sephora's website, I bought these from Sephora, there are two variations of each one of these sets. So these are the more nude ones. The version is Skin Show Trio. There's another one that has more reds. And then this is in the version Skin Show Cool. And I believe there's a Skin Show Warm. And I think these were each $25, if I'm not mistaken. I will leave the information down below. And I could never pay full price. I mean, I could, but I would hate myself if I ever paid full price for a Mcgrath lipstick, because I think it's like $37, which is insane. So I thought the trio for $25 was pretty cool, really nice to try them out. All right, so we're going to start with the lipstick bundle, and then we'll move into the gloss set. It's raining sequins, gold sequins. All right, so I'm going to zoom you guys in. We'll get to applying the lipsticks, and then we'll apply the glosses. So the lipsticks are 0.04 ounces each. This is how far they open up, but very interesting. Like, look, they have like a matte almost texture to that. Okay, so let's get to applying. This is $19.95. That's what she looks like. Very velvety soft. So this is $19.95. I love this shade. Love this shade. They're very nice, very comfortable. Your lips glide, but I don't know what makes them so different from the Maybelline lipsticks or the CoverGirl lipsticks or L'Oreal or Milani, but very nice shade, very comfortable formula. Okay, so moving on. So we finished $19.95. Now we're going to dip into Omi, O-M-I. So I'm going to swatch that right here. So this is $19.95, and this is Omi, or Oh My. This is definitely a little bit darker. They both have like a terracotta undertone, which is very nice. They're very nude, very fall, winter-esque. I really like this shade. What do you guys think? They go very nice with my eye look. So yeah, they have more of a primrose, rose, I guess, terracotta, definitely undertone. They don't lean pink. They don't lean, what is peach? They don't lean pink or peach. They're more rose type shade. I love it. very comfortable. It doesn't give me any lines in my lips, although they're kind of dry. I think I may wear one of these to work tomorrow. All right, let's move to the last lipstick shade. So the last lipstick shade is called Flesh 3. And this is the darkest one out of the bunch. Right there. I kind of wish that the lightest shade was even nuder than this, but the lipstick itself is pretty firm. I like mini lipsticks because I never go through a whole thing, but it's kind of hard to maneuver a miniature because it's so small. Oh, I like this shade too. Like a burgundy. Feeling good about these. So these are the lipsticks. This is the last shade. This is Flesh 3. All right, let's move over to the lip glosses. All right, so let's start with this guy right here. This is the shade Pale Fire Nectar, and it is I think it has a light pink base, but it's very duochrome and has a lot of pink, blue, yellow reflex in it. I feel like it matches my eyeshadow. Okay, so gloss has like a vanilla scent to it. It's not sticky. It feels like it's there. It almost feels like a lip mask or a lip balm. Like it's definitely there. This has a lot of glitter in it. Let me zoom you guys in and see if you can see the reflex of glitter. Yep. This is the lip gloss right here. And this is what it looks like right there, swatched on my hand. Just a pale pink base with glitter. Next we have this guy right here, which is Dare to Bear. And it's kind of like a pink with golden, or like a peach almost, with a golden shimmer in it. Okay. Definitely paler than the other one. The other one was more pink. I really like this. This makes both of them kind of make my lips look like glass. Let's see. So yeah, that's what this one looks like. Again, this is Dare to Bear. And I think this is my favorite one so far because it has like a shimmery sheen, but it's not as glittery as the other one. So it's more wearable for me, in my opinion. And the last one in the bunch is called Divine Rose, and it's exactly what it says. It's more of it's just a rose gloss. So this definitely has more pigment to it. And it does have a sheen to it, but no glittery flecks. So let's put that one on. And this for me is just like your lips, but better. They all smell like vanilla, not obnoxiously so. So that is this one, the last one. And again, this is called Divine Rose. Like glass. So yeah, here they are right here. Here on the lips. Let's put one of the lipsticks on with the gloss on top. Kind of want to put on the darkest one. We're going to put on Flesh 3. And I'm gonna put this on top. This is Dare to Bear. And I'm going to use my finger because I don't want to dirty the doe foot. Just gonna put it in the center. So yeah, let me zoom you guys out so we can just chat about the product real quick. Alright, so these 3 lipsticks and 3 lip glosses by Pat McGrath. So here are my thoughts. I really like the minis. I think minis are great. I never go through a whole lipstick or lip gloss, so why not? And if you're really into trying Pat McGrath or Pat McGrath's products, then why not get a mini set? $25 for 3. It's a good bang for your buck if you really want to try them. Do you need these lipsticks or these lip glosses? No. Are they revolutionary? No. The lipsticks are really nice. They are very comfortable. They're nice shades. They have a good matte, soft, velvet feeling to them. They're just a regular lipstick. They're not overly drying. They don't dry down. They're not transfer proof. They're just a regular bullet lipstick that have a velvety texture to them. So you can glide your lips together. They don't goop. They don't move around. They're just a nice lipstick. But so are L'Oreal lipsticks or Milani or CoverGirl or, oh my gosh, go to the drugstore. There's so many lipsticks. They really do excel in the lip department. Now, in terms of the lip glosses are also very nice. Great bang for your buck when you get 3 minis if you really want to test out Pat McGrath products. Are the lip glosses insanely out of this world? Nothing like them out there? No. They're just regular lip glosses. In fact, this one right here in Dare to Bear, I feel like I have one exactly like it. So this lip gloss right here that I have by Revlon, this is the Revlon Super Lustrous Lip Gloss in the shade 215. Supernatural. It's very similar to this one here by Pat McGrath. This is an incredible lip gloss right here. It's not sticky or goopy or heavy. It's great, and it's only a few bucks at the drugstore. These are lip glosses. Don't worry. You don't have to pay a fortune to get a lip gloss. There are great lip glosses out there. And then these lipsticks by Pat McGrath are so similar to these ones by L'Oreal. They have like a matte finish to them too. And they're so great. I would try them. They have the suede, the soft black cases. I would give them a shot at the drugstore. So, final thoughts. I really like the shades. I really like them. I'm glad that I got the miniature sets instead of the full-size products. Now, these are very tiny. I feel like I need to be really, really careful because I'm afraid I'm going to snap the top off. So I'm going to be very careful. But I really like them. So if you guys want to try out Pat McGrath lip products, I would definitely suggest the set because a friend of mine actually bought one of the miniatures for $15. And then you can buy 3 of them for $25. So why not? And then one full-size lipstick is like $37, something like that, I feel. I don't know. Anyway, I'm glad I got these sets. I really like them. This was a good first experience with Pat McGrath lip products. Anyways, if you've tried any of the Pat McGrath lip products, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know if you've tried any of these sets or if you're interested in picking them up. I'm very interested to find out. If you enjoyed this video and these live swatches, give this video a thumbs up. Check out my other videos if you're interested. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.